tell us if it's like today we are doing a challenge. Let's see if we...
We're going to do 10 laps.
Yeah?
Up and down.
Yeah?
And later we're going to make a YouTube video, but we don't know what it's about.
Yeah.
But today we're just doing a bike challenge.
Bike challenge. Let's see if we can do 10 laps, complete the challenge.
Okay, go.
Then I will go. But anyway, we just ride our bikes now.
Okay.
Yeah, everyone. And we're just moving along. Don't you complete the challenge? We will be good. Yeah.
Zoom.
Riding along. We are riding. Johnny, where are we going? One last time.
I'm the winner!
He's just being himself. Aren't you? There's a car ahead. I'm on the phone about cars, everyone. 2 laps done. 8 more to go.
I might win this, guys.
I'm in that season, photo. Hi, everyone. Bye.
Guys, this is my 5th lap.
This is my sauce.
This is my 5th.
Yeah. You see us pass. That's it, love.
This is my 6th lap, is it?
I don't know.
And you're still doing good. Aren't you, dude? Yeah. We are doing good on our bike so far.
This is my 7th lap.
This is my thing.
Yes!
I am 6, 7. So my lap.
That's not your last lap.
No. My lap. One song. So anyways, everyone. This is
you cheat then? Hey?
Okay, it's my 9. Okay, it's my 9. So my last figure, I think. Yeah.
No, that's your 9th, isn't it? This is your last one.
Yeah. This is my last month. This is it. Maybe I can make the challenge. Come on. Come on, Dad.
Woohoo! Leland's done the challenge. What do you say? Are you tired?
It was hard.
Yeah.
I was close to the curb. I've gone up the curb. Just tiring.
Oh, very good, Leland. Well done. Let's do Zach's last lap now.
After this corner.
Can you see that?
This is the finish
Yeah.
line.
Yay! Last lap. Well done, Zach. What did you think of it, Zach?
It's good.
Come and give me your information on it. What do you think of your challenge?
It's a good challenge. It's easy.
Was it?
Yeah.
Cool.
Leon, what do you think about the challenge?
It was good.
Yeah.
Crazy. And
Yeah.
just tiring.
Yeah.
Are you tired?
Yeah.
Yes.
And by the way, we might later we're going to like make a challenge of the eat it or wear it challenge.
Oh no!
Yeah.
Are you signing off for now?
No, I forgot to say one more thing.
Go.
Please
Comment down
come to
below.
Blast. Give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye, everyone.
Comment down below
Yeah.
if you're ever done this before, and comment if you've done 20 laps before or if you're gonna do 20 laps.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye, everyone. Subscribe. Don't forget.